Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to go over two different letters like we've been doing. So I'm going to go over the letter, the sound. We're going to identify all the pictures and the sound that each word begins with. Okay? This is the letter P. 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 What letter is this? Good job. P. What sound does P make? P. Now we're going to identify the pictures. We have pizza, P, pizza, pie, P, P, pie, and pink, P, P, pink. So you're going to point to the pictures when I say the name, okay? Pizza, P, P, pizza. Good job, there's the pizza. Ready? Pink, P, P, pink. Good, there's pink. Pie, P, pie. Good job, there's the pie. So parents, you're going to do the same thing like I did with your child. The next letter is, good job, L. Ooh, ooh, L. Lion starts with L. Ooh, lion. Lollipop. Ooh, lollipop. And leaf. Ooh, leaf. Ready? Now I'm going to say a word and you're going to point to the picture. Lollipop. Lollipop. Good job. Here's the lollipop. Lion. Lion. Good job. Right there's a lion. Leaf. Leaf. Good job. And here's the leaf. So those are your letters for the day. And then you're going to watch two videos. Parents, the assignment for them to do today is you're going to go over this page and this page. You're going to tell them, you're going to ask your child, what letter is this? What sound does it make? And you're going to go over each picture and ask them, what sound does a P make? And they should say P. And if they need help, you could go over the prompting hierarchy to help you.